a lot of technology, kind of a high-end approach here, but you really don't have to have that to really have a green home, do you?
That's so important for people to realize that you can have a green home that's high-end, affordable, or you can even have a renovation that's made more environmentally sensitive.
Okay. Some of the simple things, I guess, that we use on almost any addition or any renovation really plays into this.
Right, like windows. These windows here, double pane, they have the glazing that's called low E, and they're filled with argon gas that makes them a little bit more energy efficient, but really good practical things that you can put into your house. Compact fluorescents. This is something easy that you can switch out, very energy efficient, and they'll last for years.
And they don't have the buildup of heat that you have with the incandescent bulbs.
Exactly. Energy Star appliances. Any of the stores you could go out to, look for those, and they're the top of the line for helping save energy and water as well.
I recognize this thing.
That's
we
right.
change a lot of these out, the programmable thermostat. That helps a lot.
That's such a no-brainer. In fact, I just switched mine out a couple weeks ago, and if I can do it, anybody can do it.
And what about some of the other technology here within this house? Because this is a little more complex than some traditional homes, of course.
This is a show home, and there are some really cool, sexy technologies. For example, they collect their rainwater, and then they actually have a satellite system that is able to tap into the forecast so that they don't water the lawns when we're expecting rain. Some other things, tankless hot water heaters, they're energy efficient and save on water. And another thing too is they have what's called open cell foam insulation. This serves as insulation as well as air sealing, which means that you don't have the drafts that you might get in some other homes.